No one really tells you this, but creating wall art to sell on Etsy isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to design everything manually in Photoshop and then figuring out printing and shipping myself. And it was literally exhausting. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 clear steps that show you how to get professional wall art products listed on your Etsy shop using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. The traditional approach involves spending hundreds on design software, finding reliable printers, managing inventory, and dealing with shipping nightmares. But Gelato changes everything by combining design tools with print-on-demand fulfillment in one platform. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create stunning wall art, set up automatic printing and shipping, and connect everything to your Etsy store. Plus, I'll share the link in the description so you can get started right away. No special discount needed because the platform is already super affordable. Step 1. Create an account and log in to Gelato. Now here comes my absolute favorite part about getting started with Gelato. It's literally so simple that you'll wonder why you waited so long. When I first signed up, the whole process took me maybe 3 minutes and I literally said, wait, that's it? Because I was expecting some complicated setup like other platforms. First, head to the Gelato website and click that bright sign up button. You can create your account by using your Google account, which is what I did because it's so fast. Or you can use your email address. Once you verify your email, you're literally inside the dashboard. It's clean, intuitive, and nothing like those overwhelming, messy platforms that make you feel lost from day one. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato actually gives you access to their entire product catalog and professional design tools completely free. You only pay when someone actually buys your product, which is a total game changer for beginners. It's literally zero risk and so aesthetic. But the real magic happens when we connect everything to Etsy. Step 2. Connect Gelato to your Etsy account. Now here comes my most mind-blowing part, making your product automatically sync to Etsy without any manual uploading or inventory management. When I first connected my accounts, I literally watched my product appear in my Etsy shop within 30 seconds. I was like, wait, is this real life? Because I'd spent hours manually listing products before. Here's exactly how this works. On the left side of your screen, click on the Stores menu. You can see some options they offer here like Shopify, Amazon, and other marketplaces. Click on Connect Etsy button. Now, you need to sign into your Etsy account and then authorize Gelato to access your Etsy shop. Don't worry, it's totally secure and you can disconnect anytime. Once connected, Gelato automatically transfers your title, description, images, and pricing. But here's what most people don't know. Gelato also syncs your shipping profiles automatically. Setting up international shipping is usually a total nightmare, but since Gelato has production hubs in over 30 countries, they handle all those techie details for you. It's a total game changer, but wait until you see how easy the actual design process is. Step 3. Choose product and design it. Now here comes my most exciting part, watching your creative vision come to life in literally minutes. When I created my first botanical print design, the tools were so useful that I literally gasped. I went from a blank canvas to a professional looking design in under 10 minutes. Here's exactly how to do this. Click on the Create Product button, choose a single product first, and you'll see tons of wall art options. I recommend starting with posters or canvas prints because they're super popular. Choose one that matches your style. Now, for the fun part, we have to choose the background color. Click on the color menu at the top of your screen. Next, we can select between vertical and horizontal, and then select the size of the product. Under that section, you can also turn on design options. If this turns on, your customer will be able to choose between different design options on the product page. We can continue to design our product. You can either upload your own design or use Gelato's built-in design. If you already have a design, you can upload it by clicking on the File button, then drag and drop your design. If you're starting from scratch, you can see on the sidebar that there are several design tools. You can hit the text button and add text to your product, and then you can customize the style, font size, or color. After that, we can move to the graphics section. This tool allows you to add elements to your design. Search for the keywords of the elements you're looking for and add them to your design. We can mix and match elements by using layout tools. Click on that section and choose the layout that you love. After that, you can tap on which box you want to fill with the element, and then you can choose whether you want to put text, graphics, or a photo. The layout tool is literally so intuitive that my mom could use it. Don't overcrowd your canvas. Leave enough white space around your main elements to give your design that clean and premium art gallery vibe. Stick to a sage green or cream color palette. It's literally so obsessed worthy right now. Then add some minimalist text. It's the easiest way to make your design look expensive in seconds. After finishing, save your design and hit the Continue to Mockups button. Here's what most people don't know. You can preview exactly how your design will look printed by clicking the eye icon and clicking Preview. This saves you from any nasty surprises later. The magic happens in the next step where we make it look absolutely irresistible. Step 4. Finalize and publish product. Now here comes my most satisfying part, seeing your creation displayed in gorgeous professional mockups that make customers want to buy instantly. When I first saw my simple design in Gelato's lifestyle mockups, it literally looked like something from a high-end home decor magazine. I was totally obsessed and immediately knew this was going to be a game changer. Here's the step-by-step process. After your design is ready, you can scroll down to see all available mockups. Gelato provides multiple room settings automatically: living rooms, bedrooms, and more. You can also upload from your own device or use Magic Mockups tools by clicking the tools and writing your prompt. Choose 3 to 4 different mockups that show your art in various settings because customers love seeing versatility. After that, click on Continue to Details. For product details, write a compelling title like Minimalist Botanical Wall Art, Sage Green Home Decor Print. For the description, it's automatically generated by AI. We can continue by moving to the Settings section where you can add or enter tags for your product. Don't forget to check the Show Product to Store Visitors section. Then hit the Continue to Prices. Now for pricing, this is super important. Check what similar items sell for on Etsy, then price yours competitively. A good rule is Gelato's base cost plus 100 to 200% markup. So if Gelato charges $8, set your retail price at $16 to $24. After finishing, click on Continue to Review. Read the product details carefully to avoid mistakes. The product goes live immediately, and here's where it gets super exciting. When someone orders, Gelato automatically prints and ships directly to your customer. You literally don't touch anything. It's completely hands-off. Here's what most people don't know. Save this as a template. Once you create one successful product setup, you can duplicate it and just swap out the design. This literally cuts your time in half for future products. Now, let me show you why this approach is literally changing everything for Etsy sellers. Let me break down the real numbers, because this literally blew my mind when I calculated it. If you hired a graphic designer, $50 to $200 per design. If you learned traditional print on demand the hard way, weeks of research, multiple platform subscriptions, and constant headaches, with Gelato plus your Etsy shop, less than the cost of your daily coffee to get started. But what if my designs don't sell? Here's the beautiful thing. You risk nothing, literally, upfront. No inventory, no printing costs, no shipping headaches. You only pay when you make a sale. What if I'm not artistic? Gelato's design tools make you look like a pro, even if you can barely draw stick figures. I've seen complete beginners create stunning designs on their first day. What if customers complain about quality? Gelato uses premium materials and has quality guarantees. Plus, their customer service handles any issues directly. You don't deal with printing problems. What if this is too complicated? If you can post on social media, you can do this. The whole process takes maybe an hour to learn, and then each new product takes 15 to 20 minutes to create. The benefits are literally life-changing. You get immediate passive income potential, the satisfaction of seeing your creativity appreciated, financial freedom from location-independent income, and the creative outlet that feeds your soul. Here's exactly what you need to do right now. Click the link in my description to get started with Gelato. No special discount code needed because it's already incredibly affordable. The link takes you straight to their homepage where you can sign up for free and start creating immediately. Remember, you're not paying anything upfront, so there's literally no risk. Join thousands of creators who are already building their Etsy empires with this exact method. And make sure to subscribe because I'm constantly sharing new design trends and strategies that are working right now. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is literally right now. Your future self will thank you for taking action today instead of just watching and wondering what if. Stop overthinking and start creating. Your wall art empire is waiting. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.